Water is a big concern in Cocke County, lack thereof. 10 News anchor Shay Smith joins us from Cocke County. She's been there assessing the situation and talking to officials about, yes, this huge challenge when it comes to supplying water to that community. Bring us up to date, Shay.
Yeah, that's right, Robin. Today I spoke to Cocke County Mayor Rob Mathis, and he says that 95% of what they need is water. He also says, though, that the past couple of days it has been a search and rescue mission, but he says today they're really focusing on sustaining and recovery. He also says that 2 people have died here in Cocke County. However, out of all of the people that were missing, they have all been found and accounted for. Mayor Mathis says they've been rescuing people by land, water, and air, and he says that these reunions between friends and families are making it all worthwhile for all of those people putting in a lot of hours and overtime.
A young mother and her 1-year-old baby were separated from each other and didn't know where each other were at, and we located them, and they united up here in our command center, and one of the sheriff's deputies brought the baby in, and the mom came in 5 minutes later, and to see that reunion, yeah, that made it all worth it right there.
Right now, though, the mayor says they need fresh water more than anything at this point. Again, now several churches and organizations are giving out water here in Cocke County. And considering, though, that there is no telling on how long that input for that water system that provides water to all of the residents here in Cocke County, I mean, there's no telling right now on when they can get that looked at. And then once they get it looked at, when they can get it fixed. So right now, it seems like there will be a lot of handing out of bottles of water for the next couple of days. Robin.
Yeah, and a lot of waiting. All right, Shay, thank you.